Okay, salam and hi guys. In this video, I want to show you how to create this 3D modeling by using Autodesk Inventor. Okay, now let's open the new file. New. Okay, metric standard millimeter.ipt. Then click to the create button. Okay, now we choose the start 2D sketch. Then we choose this plane. Okay, now we create a rectangle 2 point like this. So click here, then we put the dimension 50, press the tab key 100, then press enter. Okay, so this is our rectangle. Okay, right click. Alright, so next we create an arc. So we choose arc 3 point, then click to the first point here, second point here, and for the third point we need to specify the radius, so we put 25. Okay, then we create another arc here. So first point, second point, then just click here, right click, okay. We use this equal constraint, so click to this arc and this arc, so you can see the equivalent radius. Okay, right click, okay. Next we are going to create a line, so by using line we create this object. So click here, then we put the distance distance 50, enter, then to the right we put distance 50, then enter, then downward we put distance 50, enter, to the left 10, enter, upward 40, enter, to the left 30, enter, downward 40, enter, then you can simply right click and click close, so you can see it close. Okay, right click, okay. Now by using coincident constraint, okay, we click to this midpoint and this midpoint. Okay, alright, right click, okay. Next we just click finish sketch. Okay, alright. So I want to change the view like this, okay, by using the view cube. Alright, so now by using the extrude command, then I choose this profile, and this profile, then put the distance 10, then click OK, and we click here, then right click to the sketch 1, choose share sketch, so you can see the sketch preview. Next we extrude once again, this time for this part. For this part we put the distance 60, then OK. Okay, now we are going to chamfer this part, so by using the chamfer icon, so we put the distance 25, then we simply click to this edge and this edge, then click OK. Now we need to create a hole, so by using the hole icon, we put the diameter 25 here, then for the placement we choose concentric. Okay, then we choose this plane, so you can see the hole. In order to center this hole, you need to click to this edge. Okay, so you can see, then click OK. We repeat the same step right here by using the hole. Okay, concentric, then simply click to this part, then click to the edge in order to center this hole, then click OK. Alright, so now you can right click to the sketch, then click to the visibility. Okay, then we can put the material, go to the file tab, then go to the eye properties, then go to the physical tab, we choose the material stainless steel. Then here you can see the engineering details such as density, mass, area, volume, and center of gravity, and any other engineering details. Okay, so done with our 3D modeling. Thank you for watching my tutorial video. Keep follow me for more information and update. All the best. Thank you.